All right, so this is how I set it up. I got the thing clipped in the middle to the right length. We're making a center seam bimini top for this size and style. The center seam is appropriate. On the Pacific Blue, I always go with a white stitch just because I really enjoy the way that looks. All I do is stretch it out, get it centered. Usually I have two people. All right, we're gonna go 1 foot past there, which is about like that, give or take. We're gonna double that up so we got some meat to clip to. And we're gonna clip that down. Don't worry, we're gonna come back and adjust everything. I just feel with my fingers here for my vice grips, which I know to be the center. And then I get my line over to the center and clip it down. Right now I'm just kind of doing everything by eyeball. All right, so we got our frame set up, we got our fabric laid on it. We're using Pacific Blue Temperature Solution Dyed Acrylic. Don't forget, keep a little wind in the sails of our pirate ship. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, thank you. All right, so this is how I mark out the Bimini top. We got the fabric laid across, we got the frame set up. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna mark the forward edge of the bar where the seam is actually gonna go. I know that's a novel concept. I always mark where the seam's actually gonna go. I write lightly. All right, now here's the tricky part. I take this, and somewhere as I come around the radius, I start making the corners slack. So where I end is actually on the inside of the bar. That's kind of like just a little thing I do. But I'm telling you, it makes the fit so much better. Give your corners just a little bit of relaxation. It goes a long way. Now, I'm just gonna pick a spot. I always go to the end of the radius plus 2 fingers, and that's where that's the typical end of my Bimini top. I just go to the end of the radius, which is right about there, plus a couple fingers, and bam. And yes, I said fingers, I know, very scientific, I get it. All right, this is how you get all the corners the same, equidistant. Take your tape measure, put in that corner. We got 54 inches. We're gonna come over here, and guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna put at 54 inches. Then we're gonna go around the other side, and you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna put it at 54 inches. So if you look at the center, we got perpendicular there. You want to go slightly greater than perpendicular. Then all I'm going to do is I'm going to mark the leading edge there, and I'm going to give a directional arrow because the tensions go in that direction, so our pocket's got to go that way.